That all about, babies? What did Santa leave you? Shall we open it? Daddy, I think we need your help. What's that? No, but it looks like some little guys are pretty anxious to get their stocking open, but they can't figure out how. Whoop, let us run away. Aww. What's going on over here? Where's the little girl? Where's Boo? Where's... Oh, I'm sorry, honey. Look! Oh, a mouse. Ooh, a leopard ball. Oh my. Look at these wonderful gifts for the babies. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Does it get any better? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Now you do have to share these with the other cats too, you know. These are not just for babies. Aw, they're so happy. They say we love Christmas. What's coming? Oh, it's Catechus. There's a little girl. She says, "Wonderful, Merry Christmas. You got me just what I wanted, Santa Claus." Okay, that was a wonderful Christmas morning.